Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to delete a course on Moodle. To delete a Moodle course, first of all go ahead and open up a web browser. Type in moodle.org in the URL box and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your Moodle org account by entering your login credentials. Once you are logged in, go ahead and click on the My Courses button at the top left corner. Once you open up My Courses, select the course that you want to delete and click on the little three dots right under the course. Click on Remove from View and you will then be able to delete your course from your Moodle account. So that is how you easily delete a Moodle account's course in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.